All right, so we're going to pick up where we left off. We've created our graph from last time, and now we're going to figure out how to interpret it and make it into an equation. So the first thing we're going to do is we're basically going to be looking at this right here. We don't need that guy. But we're going to talk about this equation. Since we have a line, our governing equation is y equals mx plus b. So here you can see that we have our y value, we have our slope of m, x, and then this is our b. The r squared value just tells us how close to 1, the better off we are and more effective our graph was. So now we're going to transform this and this into an actual equation. So y, if we look, happens to be mass. So we write the word mass. We do not include kilograms because kilograms are the units of mass. So it could have been mass in pounds or other things. But mass is the governing idea. So we have mass equals m. Well, m is the slope. This right here, that's our slope. So we have 4.112. Now we have to have units on our slope. And so the slope's units is change in y over change in x. And so the y-axis has units of kilograms. So this is kilograms divided by, and then the x-axis has seconds squared. So kilograms per second squared. So then if we go over in here, we say kilogram per seconds squared. And this is our slope. And then we need our x value. Well, x is time squared. So times time squared. Then plus our y-intercept, which is our b value. So this is our y-intercept right there. So 0.011, and we need to again put units on it. It's the y-intercept, so it would be the units on our y-axis. So that's going to be kilograms. And so this is our equation that actually describes our line. So that's what we're going to be using. So that's how you take this information here, given to you by your graph, as long as you did everything correctly, and you translate it, since the line, into an actual working equation. So now we could use this equation, we could substitute in values for either mass or time and discover the other. All right, that's it.